Hey there, it's Sandra. Welcome back to the Schwowin's Nest. A big thank you to QFUN for sponsoring today's video. In today's video, I'm going to share some unique and simple thrift shop Christmas gift ideas. Starting with this wooden bowl that has seen better days, I'm sanding it with a light grit sandpaper to smooth out the surface and take any loose finish off. Using a paper towel that has a bit of acetone on it, I'll wipe down the bowl to get the remaining residue off. I want this bowl to be used for cooking and serving, so I'm going to treat it with Fusion hemp seed oil. This oil will penetrate the wood, bringing it back to life and create a food-safe barrier. The directions on the bottle say that you need to apply 3 coats, letting it dry for about 24 hours in between. The dry wood is really soaking up the oil and it's making it look so glossy and beautiful. Part of the gift is going to be a homemade recipe for yeast donuts, and I'm going to create a recipe card using the laminator. So let's take a look at that now. First, let's see what's included with the QFUN Laminator. It's a small compact unit that has a cutter with an extra blade, 3 key rings, a corner rounder, and a mini hole punch. The QFUN Laminator also comes with 4 different sizes of laminating sheets. This unit is plug and play, which means all you need to do is plug it into power, turn it on, set the mode to whatever you need, whether it's cold lamination or 3mm or 5mm heat lamination. For cold lamination, you can start it right away, and it only takes about 60 seconds to heat up for the heat lamination. The sizes that the QFUN Laminator can take is the standard A series of paper. So from size A3 all the way up to A6. And when you look at them online, I did have to check it out. They're a 4x6, 6x8, 8x11, and 11x16. And you do get some samples included in the box. It's really fun creating different projects with the laminator. I started by creating my recipe card and I printed it out on regular printer paper, but you can also use cardstock if you prefer. Place your printed project in between the 2 sheets, which are joined together at the top. Then simply place the sheets with the joined edge first into the machine. The rollers will automatically grab the sheets and feed it into the laminator. I'm using the 3mm sheets with heat, so be aware that the project will come out warm to the touch. It's suggested in the instructions to place your project on a flat surface with a book or other object on top so that it can cool off without any warping. This was my first attempt at using the laminator, and afterwards I decided that I didn't want all of that white edge showing. Well, that was a mistake because as soon as I cut really close, of course, those edges are no longer laminated. So it became 2 separate sheets of paper. So I did have to start this project over, but I'm going to show you my next project now, which turned out perfectly. This image is from Creative Fabrica. I'll have the link for it in my description box under the links for the US and Canada for the QFUN Laminator. They're both available on Amazon. This time I was smart and cut out the image without leaving any white space. However, a white frame around the image would probably have looked nice too. Slipping it into the laminated sheets, it goes into the laminator again, and this time comes out perfect. Now I've completed all my laminating, so let's use the mini tools to cut everything out, add holes, and even shape the corners. I'm really clumsy with paper trimmers. I don't use them very often, so I'll have to practice a bit more to get the hang of it. I created 2 bookmarks and 2 additional Christmas tags for some of the gifts that I'll be creating today. There are some unique features of the QFUN Laminator, especially the anti-jam button. Should anything get caught in the machine, this button will allow you to get it out without damaging the machine at all. From photos to recipes, bookmarks, important documents, or flashcards and other teacher or daycare printables, the QFUN Laminator is an essential tool to ensure that your paper products stay clean, safe, wrinkle, and tear-free. All the details for this amazing QFUN Laminator will be listed in my description box, and I'll also pin it to the first comment so it's easy to find. Thanks again to QFUN for sending me this amazing tool. I'm really excited to continue using it. In this electronic world, we all know somebody who still loves paper, so this would be a fantastic Christmas gift for that person in your life. My first Christmas gift idea is using a basket from the thrift store with a gingham tea towel draped across the back. I'm including 2 of my favorite books, also from the thrift store, with the bookmarks I created with the laminator. To top it off, I'll add a simple coffee mug, some flavored syrup that you can use in your coffee or hot chocolate, and a cute bottle brush tree. I think anyone who loves to read and enjoy a nice warm drink sitting in front of the fireplace or the Christmas tree would really enjoy a gift like this. It's also very useful because you have the basket available for some storage, and if you wanted to, you could just display it as a sweet little vignette for Christmas. The second gift idea is using the wooden bowl that I refurbished. It looks so beautiful now. Since this is a recipe card that I made with the laminator, I added a recipe for German Krapfen, which is a yeast donut. They are absolutely to die for. I found some vintage donut cutters along with a couple of cookie cutters that I'll tie together with some red and white gingham ribbon. Also from the thrift shop are these 4 wooden plates, which would be perfect to serve the donuts on. Another tea towel with red stripes for the bottom, and then simply layering the items in a way that is pleasing to the eye is all you need. To finish off this gift, I added a vintage coffee mason jar that I had filled with some pine cones as decor, but they'll definitely be able to use this for their baked goods. Baskets are always plentiful at the thrift store, and if it's not the right color but you love the shape and style, then grab some spray paint and give it a quick makeover. I'm adding some burlap to this dark brown basket, which will also get a frame, this beautiful photo or picture holder in a beautiful duck egg blue, a candle, and a blue glass canister. This gift is perfect for someone who loves blue and enjoys displaying favorite photos or images in their home. I attached the blue Christmas tree that I laminated with the QFUN laminator onto the photo holder, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Thanks so much for spending some of your time with me today. I'd also like to thank QFUN one more time for sending me that fantastic laminator. Remember that it's a perfect gift for the person who loves paper in your life. Make sure you do all the things, hit the like button, subscribe, and the bell notification so you don't miss out on anything else I have to share. Merry Christmas!